Birds, written by Mark Ormerod. What are birds?
Birds are animals. They've got beaks, wings and feathers.
Let's look at 6 amazing birds. Storks.
This bird is a stork. It's got black and white feathers, a red beak and orange legs. It lives in a big nest with all its family. It eats fish. You can see stork nests on houses in Spain.
Woodpeckers.
This bird is a woodpecker. It's got black, white and red feathers. It lives in trees and it eats insects. You can't see the woodpecker's nest. It's inside the tree.
Puffins.
This is a puffin. It's a funny bird. It's got black and white feathers, orange feet, and a red and black beak. It lives on rocks by the sea. It eats fish. Puffins can swim underwater.
Ostriches.
Ostriches are very big birds. They live in Africa. They eat grass and insects. A mother ostrich has got brown feathers. A father ostrich has got black and white feathers. Ostriches can't fly, but they can run very fast. They can run at 65 kilometers an hour.
Owls.
This bird is an owl. It's got brown and white feathers. It lives in trees. It eats meat. Owls sleep in the day. They fly at night.
Parrots.
This bird is a parrot. It's got red, blue and yellow feathers. It lives in trees. It eats fruit. Parrots can learn to say 10 or 12 words.
Goodbye. Where are birds?
At the zoo, you can see birds from around the world. But birds are everywhere. In the park, on the beach, just look.
What's your favourite bird?
The mysterious egg. It's Saturday. Vicky and Bobby are in the park. Goal! I can play football very well. Ugh, you win. Vicky and Bobby can't find the football. It isn't under the trees. It isn't in the grass. But look, here's an egg. Vicky picks the egg up. Is it an Easter egg? No, it's a bird's egg. I can hear a baby bird inside. The children look at the trees. Where's the mother? Where's the father? I don't know. I can't see a nest. At home, Dad puts the egg in a box. It's important to keep the egg warm. They put the box under a radiator. Is it a stork's egg? Is it a woodpecker's egg? I don't know, but I've got a book. Let's find out about birds' eggs. The children look at the book. An ostrich's egg is very big, but our egg isn't very big. They look on the computer. This bird is a robin. A robin's egg is blue, but our egg isn't blue, it's white. Then Bobby sees a photograph in the newspaper. Look, Vicky, look in the newspaper. Our egg is a flamingo's egg. Vicky, Bobby, and their dad go to the zoo with the egg. The zookeeper is very happy. Thank you very much. He puts the egg in the flamingo's nest. The mother flamingo is very happy. She sits on the egg to keep it warm. 1 week later, Vicky and Bobby have got a present and a card. Vicky opens the card. To Vicky and Bobby, Happy Easter from everyone at the zoo. This is a photo of the baby flamingo. His name is Frank. Bobby opens the present. What is it? It's an Easter egg. Chocolate.